In this video, we will be discussing the 2D collision lab. We have already taken video of a marble rolling down a ramp, hitting a flat straightaway and colliding with another marble at some angle, and then those two marbles freely move. You are going to be analyzing that motion of the stationary marble and the moving marble before and after their collisions. By now, hopefully you're getting comfortable with video analysis in Logger Pro. The new wrinkle in this lab is that you are going to be tracking two objects simultaneously. So you're going to track one ball all the way before and after, and then the second ball all the way before and after. The other thing that's very important when you are doing this analysis is that you only want to analyze the two balls before they interact with anything else. So in the video, the moment that one of the balls touches the floor of the video, stop analyzing it. It's now rolling on the ground. That is now a completely different kind of motion. You are only going to analyze the balls before they collide until they impact the surface.